You will love this crispy and delicious pastry. It is very easy to make. If you're ready, let's go started. Let's add 450 grams of flour, 25 grams of sugar, 10 grams of salt, 10 grams of yeast. And let's add 100 milliliters of warm water, 100 milliliters of sunflower oil, 100 grams of yogurt, 1 egg, and mix well. Sprinkle flour on the floor and knead the dough for 5 minutes. Cover it with a cloth and let it rest 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, let the air out of the dough. Let's divide the dough into 4 parts and make dough balls. Let's roll one of them tinily with a rolling pin. Cover with 75 grams of butter that we melted before. Let's cover the other dough we have opened on it. Combine the edges and make a stash. Cut the rolls to 2-finger thickness. Let the rolls be cut in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. Connect the ends of the rolls you took out of the refrigerator and open them as I showed. Put grated cheddar cheese inside and cover them. Cover the egg yolk on them and put them in the oven at 180 degrees until they are golden brown. They're ready and they're hot. You will love them. Please make sure to try it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment. See you in the next video. Bye.